Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the students query. So first of all I'll go with the one of the student query, that is Chayan Jain, as he asked about the 4.71 package split, means the package details. So I don't have the exact details about 4.71, but here the 2021 batch. Okay, so their package was around 4.51. Okay, 4.51 the package. So I'll provide in detail about the 4.51. Okay, so for just 20,000 difference is there. Okay, so for 4.51, okay, 4,51,000. Okay, only the 20,000 difference, and here the basic salary for this is 11,200 rupees, and the HRA, the house rent allowance, it is 50% of the basic, so that is around 5,600, and some EPF and all provident fund, so that is 1,800, and some special pay and all. If we include all the other things, okay, so the in hand will be like 30,302 will get. Okay, so so this is for the 4.51. Okay, suppose if we consider for 4.71, means in hand you will get around 32,000 you will get in hand around. Okay, so in that way you can see, and also like the some of the other things like the gratuity and all, that is they did like 4%, and some in the insurance and all, that is 41,000. Okay, so here 3,000, this 30,302 into 12,000, 363,624, that is your in hand you will get, and other your insurance and all 41,000 insurance. Okay, your gratuity, so that all including you will get like 4,51,000 some 4. Okay, so this is your for 4 point so in the same way you can just 32,000 around 32,000 into 12 you can consider. Okay, so like 380. Okay, 12 on 2. Okay, 2,000 24,000. Okay, around the 38 something you will get, 3,80,000. So that is your 4,71,000. Okay, so that is about your the split, the salary split. Okay, Pranali is your for us. Internship is started from yesterday, and currently they are started with onboarding process. Okay, good. All the persistent team is really very good, and they explain each single queries of students. Good. They also said that they are going to pay the 1K the internet allowance along with the 10,000 stipend. Okay, good. And many of us asked about laptop during the internship, but they said they are not going to provide the laptop for the interns. Okay, yeah, because intern means the student actually they may change the job after, so that's why. Good. Okay, thank you, Pranali. Okay, so she provided genuine information. Okay, so we should say thank you as he provided the details about the internet allowance and stipend details, and also the laptop availability means for intern students they are not providing the. Okay, okay, means during the full time they will provide, definitely they will provide. And for those students who are asking about not got the FT offer, full-time employment offer letter, or forgot to download the offer letter, so they said no need to worry, they are going to send it again once they join the full-time. Yes, good. So for full-time employment offer, those who are forget to download the offer letters from their dashboard. Okay, so for them, as many of the people are facing the problem, okay, so many of the people they face that problem, so they are sending once again when you join. Okay, they are sending once again. Okay, good. So today Pranali has clearly answered for all the questions that the student they used to ask. Okay, thank you. Karthik, I have completed my HR assessment on 30th December. Okay. Still, I have not received any internship or any letter from them. I have done one advanced coding also. Okay, good. So you see, you are in one step ahead. You are done with your advanced coding round also. Advanced coding round. So there may be chances are there. So you wait for the further instruction. Okay, Karthik. Because what happens now, it is like those who are completed the base package. Okay, so they are appeared for the advanced coding round. Okay, and after the advanced coding round they got the technical interview. Okay, technical interview, then HR interview. So just let me know, Karthik, if you are listening. I think you are completed these stages, right? And this one you are waiting, technical interview and HR, right? So just let me know, means if you are in this process means definitely you will wait, you will get. So wait for the few days, because you are in the process to get higher package. Okay, so just let me know whether you are completed. I think these two are done with the technical and HR also. Okay, so you are done with, you are completed this also, good. Then you wait. Okay, wait for a few days, and also just check it out whether your friends are they received the any selection list from the TPO, or are they received individually. Just let me know. Okay, whether your friends received from TPO that selection list. Okay, if they are not received, if no one is received from your batch, if no one means you have to wait. Okay, if everyone is received and you are not received means that is different case. So if no one is received means you have to wait for a few more days, and also no one is received. All or okay, good. Karthik, don't worry. So you have done a good effort as you are reached to advanced coding round. So 100% there is a chance is there for the higher package. Okay, because there is one more chance is there, no, like once those who are done with advanced coding, even they can enter into the 9 LP also. There is one more round is also there. So okay, so only 4.71 LPA have received. Yeah, yeah. those who got the base package, your friends circle. So your friends, those who are selected in the base package, they are received, right? They are received. That is true. Yeah, it is the same procedure. They are received, right? And those who are done with the higher package, that advanced coding and all, they are not received. Am I right? They are not received, right? So that indicates you are still in the process. You are still in process. Okay, good. So you are in process and you may have the chance to get 4.5 or 9 also. If you are performed well in your advanced coding round, there is one more chance is there. Okay, now you are at this stage. So you may get this also, but wait. Okay. Okay, so hope for the best, and okay, definitely will get. So because if you have performed well in the your technical interview and your advanced coding round, so definitely will get. Okay, don't worry, and I'm feeling like 100% you will get this one. Okay, 100% you will get. Okay, so till you get, don't depend on only this persistent. Try to miss till you get this final. Okay, try to appear for other company also. Try to appear for other companies, because still it is not confirmed, right? You are 7.5. So you try to appear for the other company also. Don't depend on only this company. So once you are received, then it is good. Is there any possibility that I will not get any offer from them? No, I am saying no, like 100%. I based upon my assumption, just I'm guessing, like you may have the chance, like at least 99.9% chances are there. Okay, and you are reached till HR, no? So that is one plus point for you. Okay, so don't worry, you have the chance. Okay, in few days definitely you will receive. Just you hope for the best. Okay, definitely you will get for higher package. चयान जैन परसिस्टेंट में इन हैंड सैलरी कितने मिलेगी या चयान this video I have created for you only. Okay, I already discussed, and you will get around 32k, around 32 plus or minus. Okay, around 32k you will get in hand salary. Okay, and there in that there will be some other, this is in hand, and along with that you will get some like that insurance and all other that is separate. Insurance, your employee provident fund, your gratuity. Okay, and that will be, everything is separate, and this is your in hand salary. Okay, Karthik, TCS 3.36 offer, and Devya. Yeah, Karthik, I don't have any idea about Devya software. Okay, so yes, do some survey, you can find information. And but TCS, it is always good. Like why I used to tell, like, because TCS means like you can reach through the digital test. You can get 7 LP also, but it depend upon the student. Okay, okay, it is up to you. You have to decide whether you want to go for persistent or TCS, because they are providing, no, I think 5 attempts 5 attempts you are providing, and through digital test you can get 7 lakh per annum within 6 months. Definitely will get. Means if your coding is good, then 100% you will get in the TCS. Okay, Pranal is saying they said they are going to provide training on Java. Okay, good. Java, .NET, then full stack in Java, cloud. Okay, Salesforce. We can't choose text stack as our wish. They are going to provide it as per their requirement. Okay, as per their requirement they will provide the domain. Okay, also they said that they will teach us in training in live mode as well as pre-recorded sessions, so students can watch it later also if they were absent for a day. Good, thank you. So today so Pranal has shared very important points. Okay, so first of all, as he cleared some of the doubts, like during the internship they are providing 10k plus 1000 the internet allowance and all. Okay, the internet allowance and the stipend. Okay, so they are providing. Then for interns they are not providing laptop, they are not providing the laptops. Then also they see cleared about like hmm, then that about training on the technologies. Okay, Java, Salesforce, cloud and all. Okay, and there will be the live sessions, and students will get the recorded sessions if the students absent. Okay, so students can watch later. Good. Yeah, I was expecting this one only actually. The thing is, like, if the students, if they tell no that things means it is the student who joined from 21-22 batch, and based upon her experience. Okay, based upon her interaction with the persistent team, as she is sharing the details. Okay, okay, thank you. Mm. And also, like, yeah, the domain and all the technical stack, it is as per the requirement. As per requirement they will allocate, as per requirement technical stack. Okay, so Chayan Jain asking about is our insurance CPF will cut from our overall package from remaining 40k, or is it from the company side? No, like that EPF, in EPF, like 50%, like suppose 18,000, suppose 1800, if they deduct. Okay, then the company will add 1800 from employer side. Okay, so this is like your savings. So whenever any emergency. Okay, whenever if there is any emergency with your family. Okay, so that time you can take. Okay, because it is must nowadays. Like suppose if there is any hospital emergency, or if if amount is required for your family purpose. Okay, you can take this amount, so it is good for EPF. Okay, so and also like these are all with that including it comes in your 4.7 and LPA only. Okay, so this is extra. If they are deducting 1800, no, employer will add the remaining amount, means same 50% amount. Okay, and yes, banks which persistent support only for receiving the stipend and salary. Okay, SBI, HDFC, IDBI, Kotak Mahindra. Okay, then IDFC Bank. Yeah, IDFC. Good. So these are the banks, like means they provide like stipend and all, stipend with only these nationalized banks. So uh, nationalized banks. Okay, means they are not providing the stipend and the salary in your any cooperative bank and all. Okay, so you should have the nationalized bank. And also they said if you have any saving accounts in any of them, it will work temporarily until the internship. If you don't, they asked us to create a new salary account in any of the mentioned bank. Good. So it is good if you open in SBI or HDFC. You people try to prefer you prefer these banks. And definitely you can create even online facilities also there. Online facility, uh, you can create the bank accounts. I think nowadays all of you have the bank accounts in nationalized banks. Okay, Abhijit, global logic 5.5 versus persistent. mm, Abhijit, it is I don't know much about global logic company. Okay, so you just the package is good, 5.5 LPA. Okay, compare with 4.71. Yeah, so what you do, you can just check it out in the uh, that Glassdoor. Okay, in the Glassdoor website. Okay, in this particular website you can just check it out, the reviews. And also in the LinkedIn you can find out the members from your college also. Maybe you will get the employee from your college, those who are working in the same company. Okay, you just check it out through LinkedIn, you will get. Okay, and it is good even the like if you join with the high salary, no, like because when you to after switch after 1 year, after 1 year or 2 year. Okay, so they will see the previous salary they will see. Okay, so you just check it out. If the company environment, the company working environment and hike and all, if it is good, then you can prefer. and you can just check it out, the how many employees are working, okay, what type of projects are there, okay. So you just check it out. And the persistent, you no need to think about the persistent, only here only the difference is in the salary, that's all, okay. So you just think about it, you just have a discussion, or you find if any of your senior is working, okay. But if you find some if there is no job guarantee and all, then you can prefer the persistent. Means you need to think in terms of the company, which company, and also the your job guarantee, okay. Security of the job is very important, and what type of projects. But as a fresher, the persistent will be good, as you will learn a lot of things. During the exam times, they are going to provide us leaves, but for the students has to mail their respective mentor, and after getting the confirmation from them, students will be able to take leaves, okay. This is very important point, okay. During the examination, okay, your final year examination, okay, you can take a leave, but before that you have to intimate, you have to communicate to your mentor through mail, okay. You have to communicate to mentor through the mail, okay. So these are things you have to follow, okay. So today, as Pranali has said some very important points, okay. So that clears everything whatever we discussed these days. Karthik, when where we will get full-time letter or internship, do they send? Yes, Karthik, they will send full-time, this you will get later, okay. In coming in the March, April, you will get this full-time employment offer, but now immediately means you will receive the communication regarding internship. So, so one of the student is asking, Ian, is it possible to change the job location? Job location in persistent from Hyderabad to. I think for freshers they won't consider, means they request for freshers the job location and all. But I am feeling is like maybe you people will join virtually, okay. Even maybe you will work around 1 year, maybe 20 to 23, okay. Maybe you people will work virtually at least around 1 year maybe, okay. So no need to think about the job location and all now, okay. You just uh, okay, in the future you can just see, okay. Because this in the pandemic, no, that based upon the last 2 years, we can say at least 1 year you people work from home, I think, okay. So don't think about the job location and all. Yeah, Pranal also shared there is no chances to change the location, but if they really necessity to change the location, then only company will think on this. Means if there is any genuine problem, okay, if there is any genuine problem, then you can communicate, and that they will provide the facility, okay. See, the way you communicate the problem, whichever your personal problem, Okay, so based upon that, definitely they will consider if there is genuine problem. Okay. So can you tell something about living cost in Pune compared to Bangalore or Hyderabad? Yeah, living cost, it depends upon the way how the it is same in Bangalore and Pune, Hyderabad, but it depends on the area where you want to stay. Okay, the area where you want to stay. Okay, if there is a PG, if you like, suppose if the bachelor students, if they stay in the PG, then it won't cost more. Okay, so it depend upon you how you spend the money, and it depend upon the area where you stay. Okay, because if I tell in the Bangalore only, there are some areas are there it is very costly, and there are some areas are there where the people who earn 10k also he survive in, like, means area means it is a little, it is too far away from the main city. Okay, like suppose in the Bangalore, if we consider there is a electronic city. Okay, electronic city, so near some of the areas are there, so where you will get a room rent and all, the house rent it is very less. So it depend, and suppose if you stay some different area, the house rent is costly, so it will depend upon the area where you stay. My friend having the persistent with 4.7 LPA and Ethereus with 5.5. What is the start? Which is startup company in 2000? And which is the best? Yeah, startup company. See, that's why startup companies are nowadays they are also providing a good salary. So you just think of, see, there is no doubt about the persistent. Persistent we cannot compare with other company. Okay, if you are having the multiple like offers, you have to think about, because you don't take the suggestions also from multiple people. Okay, I can give one suggestion. If you ask to some other people, they will also give some suggestions. They definitely they tell you to go for 5.5. Okay, even in your house also they can, if you ask, so they will prefer 5.5. Okay, but you as a fresher, no, as you should start your career with a good company, so you have still you have the time, you can think about it. Okay, because you should not frustrate in the future. Okay, so you just think, you do some find more information about the company, what type of projects they are handling, and there are some advantages also there with the startups. So advantage is like there are very less team, the team size is less team size, and you will get a lot of exposure, and you will learn different means you are part of complete all the stages of the projects. Okay, you can participate in all the stages of the project, and you can take your the leave and all at any time. You can work, but in startup the work will be more. Okay, the work will be more, but you can it is up to you when to work, when, okay, whenever you are not feeling to work, then you can leave also. So in startup company means but the thing is you will learn lot of things, and you are directly communicating to the CEO of the company, all team members you can communicate directly. Okay, with all the team members you are communicating directly to all the team members. That is not possible with the MNC companies. Okay, so you just think about it. Technical, it's already done in August. Yes, yeah, that's why she is already placed, and also she started from I think 12th January. She started her internship career in the persistent. Okay. So one good thing is like as she today she shared most of the details that is required for the students. Okay, so thank you, and we'll end this video. If you have any doubts, you can just put it in a comment box. So those who are already joined in persistent, definitely they will communicate to you. Means they will answer if you have any such queries. Okay. Some advantages in the persistent. The advantages like the first of all, it is a brand company and more job security is there. Okay, job security, and you will learn a lot of you will expose in the training. The training is best in the persistent because the training at college level is different, and training at industry is different. Okay, so the training at college is different, right? The training at college and training at company is different. Okay, so that they are providing the training, and also like job security is there. Okay, and when you switch from persistent to next company in the future, definitely you will get around 40 to 50% hike. Definitely you will get, and along with that you will get some experience in the projects. Okay, experience in projects. Okay, so these are all matters. These are all helpful in the future. Once your base is strong, no, like for the construction of a house, how the pillars, so in the way for your career, the if your base is strong, okay, once you start your career with a top MNC company, then it will be help in the means your track records, it will show a good performance in the future. Okay, like you are in the graphical visualization. If I show like now suppose in the with 4.7 lpa, in the after 1 or 2 year you will get around 6 lpa. Again if you jump some different company 10 lpa, like because your base is strong here. Okay, your base is strong as you have started your journey with a good MNC company, top MNC company, and here you are getting a work experience also. That is very important. The work experience that will help you to get more job opportunity in the future. See, there is no doubt. Rating and all, I'm not capable to give the rating and all. Okay, but it is a good company. Persistent means if you start your career with the persistent, definitely you will get good job opportunity, and with hike in the future. Okay, because at the initially you should not see the salary if there is more difference. Okay, If there is a more difference in the salary, then that is different. More difference in the package. Almost if there is a 40-50% difference, then you can think about other company. If there is not much difference, then you can prefer to persistent. Karthik is saying I'm still pursuing 7th semester. 8th semester they are making online, which commence from the March first week. Will they start my internship late? Yeah, it may be. It depend. We cannot, and I think you may not be get internship also, maybe because you may get directly the full time employment offer also. We cannot say that. Okay, because in a region wise, no, like even in Pune region and all, like their examination will complete in May and June month. Okay, the second semester will complete May June, but in Bangalore region I think there may be delay. Okay, so it depend, the reason wise is different. Okay, good luck for everyone, and you're doing work. Please check all the mock interview videos taken, so they're really good. Yeah, thank you. Vishal, what is the training period in persistent? Yeah, period will be 2.5 months to 3 months. It was for last year batch. 2.5 to 3 months for last year batch. I think it is for same for your also. Okay, last batch means 2021 batch. Okay, Karnataka. Okay, Karthik. So Karthik, you may get. I think in March. I think in February your maybe examination will start under VTU. Okay, so as per your see, you have just discussion with your TPO. Your TPO will give proper the like the joining and all. Okay, because the region wise it will change. In Pune region and all, no, like yeah, by May or June they complete their examinations, their university in Pune Maharashtra region side. But in Karnataka it will delay for 2 months. Okay, so don't worry, you will get if there is a delay means definitely you will get an opportunity for internship also. Okay, so okay guys, I will end this video. If you have any question, just put it comment section. You can just message, and because there are few students are already joined, and definitely they will answer if you are any query. Okay, thank you. I have applied this form, our placement training. They have given training and made us apply. How? I have applied. I have applied this from our placement training, sir. They give the training and made us apply. Okay. Chetan BJ, how many days they will take to give the HR assessment result? HR assessment, it depend. Okay, HR assessment sometimes they take 10 days, 15 days, okay, 20 days also. But there is a chances are the 99.99% those who are appeared. Okay, those who are appeared for the this HR, no, definitely you are having a chance. Selection chances are there. So if you are completed your HR, definitely you will get an opportunity to join persistent. Okay, Chetan and Ritik. After a month, I have received a mail from persistent of registration for internship and full-time employment offer. After registration, it says if your profile suits, we will contact you. Okay. So Ritik, so just let me know. Means you are a final year student, right? You are a final year student, and you are received that selection list and that full-time employment offer from the college, right? In the college in campus. So if you are received your the job offer from the this particular final year batch from the college selection list, then it is 100% confirmed. Okay. Suppose if you are a passed out student, if you are a passed out student, then you there, like based upon your profile, they will offer. Suppose if you are a final year student, then they won't look into your profile and all. They will consider you as a fresher only. Okay, they will consider you as a fresher if you are a 21 22 batch pass out. If you are 21 22 batch pass out, then they will consider you as a fresher only. Vishal, will they provide any courses to learn in the training? Yes, in the course, like okay, offer letter is yet to come. Means you are final year student, right? If you are final year student, means definitely they will provide offer letter. Vishal, in the training they will provide. It's a live training, and they will provide the some resource material. Okay, they will provide everything. It is like you will get a good the top training of the experts, the training from the experts. There's no doubt about that in persistent. So along with that, you have to develop a self learning of different technical stacks. Okay, you try to revise, improve, update the skills. Okay, so we'll end this video. Thank you.